Do you have a desktop or notebook PC which doesn't support or doesn't have a wireless network card? Are you thinking of spending your hard-earned money on buying a new USB wireless adapter? Hold on for now. In this time of economic slowdown, you may want to save an extra penny that you can. I am going to share you with a tip that will help you turn your Android phone into a portable wireless USB adapter without costing so much as a dime. Stay with me. Here are the steps. Turn on the Wi-Fi on your phone by going to Settings, Wireless and Networks. Note that this setting can be named as connection on some devices. Now, turn on the Wi-Fi and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now, connect your phone to desktop or notebook PC using a USB cable that comes with the phone. Now, go to Settings, Wireless and Networks, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and select the USB tethering option. Your PC is now connected to the wireless network. How difficult was that? Neither you need to install any special hardware, nor you have to install any apps to take advantage of this valuable feature. USB tethering can be used on most of the phones running on Android OS version 2.2 and onwards. If you are having any configuration issues, comment down below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please leave a like and a comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel.